I was working up some ladders at a client's garden. I think I must have disturbed a nest because there was quite a few wasps about, and I felt a sharp pain in the back of my leg. And I looked down at my leg and it was swelling up quite badly, and I started to feel lightheaded and my face felt like it was almost like burning up. It was really quite a severe pain. The client actually rang the paramedic. The paramedic came out and checked me over and said I was having some kind of bad reaction to a sting. He said that these things can get progressively worse, and the next time you get stung you never know, but you could have an anaphylactic shock. When I had the wasp sting, mentally I felt very worried and anxious about it. I wasn't quite sure what I should do or what was going to happen. The GP recommends that I carry an injector pen with me at all times. The garden here at RHS Tatton is full of plants that attract bees. It's called the Live Garden, and we've actually put microphones in the beds, and we've recorded the sound of bees, and then we're playing them through speakers in the garden to engage people to interact with nature. So I believe that we need to work with nature and not be scared about it. When I'm at work, I guess even when I'm out at the shops or if I go to a beer garden, I'm always more aware. I would be interested in long-term options that would give me more peace of mind than having an adrenaline pen. To fellow gardeners who have an allergy, I would say seek medical advice and make sure that you've got the right medicine.